you looking for a fantastic golf community here in South Florida? You're not going to want to miss this video. My name is Megan Schoner. I'm a local real estate agent here on the Treasure Coast. And today I want to share with you one of my favorite little treasures here on the Treasure Coast, and it's called Tesoro. If this is your first time to my channel, please hit the subscribe button. I put out new videos every Friday so that you can help find your treasure here on the Treasure Coast, and I love showing you around why I love this area so much. The over 100,000 square foot clubhouse features the Crane Club, which hosts weddings and big events. It also has the golf club, the pro shop. There are card rooms and all types of other amenities. There's a restaurant in there as well too, and it is spectacular. There's nothing like it. For the homes here in Tesoro, they are fantastic. You have a wonderful mix of the traditional homes that were built back in the early 2000s with the Spanish Mediterranean style that are fantastic. Most of those do come with pools, and they are one-of-a-kind state-of-the-art homes. You also have some new construction options with Toll Brothers, WCI Lennar, and then also GHO Homes, and there are a couple custom builders in there as well too. So you have a lot of options if you do want to build, or you can also buy resale in there. Currently, Tesoro is only at about 30% capacity in terms of the number of lots that have been sold and people that currently live in the community. So there's a lot of room for growth here. What we're seeing is, in terms of the pricing in this community, it is a lot more affordable than anything down further south, down in Jupiter, anything in Palm Beach, Broward County, Miami-Dade. So we're seeing a lot of people move up here to be able to have a fantastic lifestyle, close to the beaches, gorgeous golf community. It is the golf community here, and that really is the difference. If you are a serious golfer, these courses are like nothing else in the area. So that is one of the main reasons to move to Tesoro, but it is fantastic. So Tesoro Club is almost a 1,500 acre premier gated golf club community located in the heart of the Treasure Coast in the southwest portion of Port St Lucie. So it's just east of the turnpike, so you have really easy access to the West Palm Beach Airport, which is about 35 to 40 minutes away. You're again closer to the beach. You're about 20 minutes from this area, and then also the C24 canal that connects out to the ocean for boating is about 5 minutes from here. So it's a really nice, unique location. Across the street, you also have a Publix grocery store. There's 3 different restaurants. There's a nice Italian restaurant. Kyle G's has their Oak and Ember steakhouse, and there's Bonefish Max, which is a nice sports bar type place. Lots of nice shopping directly across the street. Also a Dunkin' Donuts in the morning for you. So a great community. What is nice about this community, so it was established here in the early 2000s. The homes in the club range from 2,000 to about 7,500 square feet, and they range in price from 600,000 to probably over about 4.5 million at this point as of January 2024. They are now starting to build in here. So what happens is, in this community, it was built in the early 2000s as a premier gated golf community, and then when the market crash happened around 2005 or so, 2006, 2007, the building stopped, and this community just sat for close to 20 years really. There was some different owners that bought it, but they really didn't put any money into it. The beautiful clubhouse that you see behind me just sat vacant. It does have 2 premier golf courses. One has been recently renovated. The other one is in the process of it. But really it just sat for a while. So as you'll see as we go through the area, you'll see a lot of vacant lots kind of between the houses. And that was just because the building had stopped. So all of a sudden we're seeing more of a resurgence in the area. We have new builders. We have WCI Communities, which is the luxury division of Lennar Homes, Toll Brothers, GHO Homes, and then Cleasestone Signature Properties and Jensen Construction are also starting to build in here. So what's really nice is, if you like the Mediterranean style home, there's nothing like it. These are unbelievable finishes on the existing homes. But if you like something new, more of a coastal look, you'll get that with some of the new builders as well too. So Toll Brothers is one of the new construction builders here. We'll take a quick tour of it so you can see. But their prices start in the high 6s and go up to about 900,000. And if you're looking for more of a smaller home, a little bit more of a coastal look, come take a look. So I'm in front of the Swim and Racket Club behind me. It's very popular. It includes a Junior Olympic zero-edge swimming pool. There's 9 hard true tennis courts and 11 pickleball courts and 2 bocce ball courts. There is one of the restaurants that is behind me too. It is, you'll see it, it's a very windy day and it's a little bit early in the morning, but it is a very popular poolside restaurant. There are 2 dining options for every member here at the Tesoro Club, the Cabanas and the Terrace Grill. Executive Chef Guy Redding is a 25-year veteran in leading culinary teams at platinum-rated golf and yacht communities across the nation. And at the Swim and Racket Club, the Cabanas features a full bar with tropical libations that can easily be taken poolside. The Landmark Clubhouse has the Terrace Grill, which features sandwiches, salads, burgers, flatbreads, and more of an elevated twist. So Tesoro's popular Arnold Palmer Championship Golf Course reopened last year after an extensive 18-month renovation. Served as home to the qualifying event of the PGA Tour's 2023 Honda Classic as well as the 2023 Q School second stage qualifier, and it will be home to the PGA Tour Cognizant Classic Open qualifier in February of 2024. Tesoro Club also added new lighted pickleball courts and upgraded its 22,000 swim and racket club facilities. The club's Watson course will undergo a complete renovation. The centerpiece of the Tesoro Club is a spectacular, classically inspired clubhouse overlooking a 120-acre lake. So in terms of the membership, the golf membership is a one-time initiation fee of $40,000, and then after that it is $16,000 per year. And for the social membership, which is the pool and tennis, racket club, everything like that, it is a $6,500 one-time initiation fee, and then I believe it's $3,800 after that every year. If you do build with one of the new construction builders, that is a mandatory fee. This is one of my favorite places here in Port St Lucie. I think it's an untapped treasure, as I was calling my treasure on the Treasure Coast. The quality of homes that you're getting, the quality of the golf courses, this community has kind of sat dormant for the last 20 years, really, 15, 20 years. And they've just started building, really in the last 2 to 3 years, renovated the Arnold Palmer golf course, and they are going to get ready to renovate the Watson golf course here as well too. They've renovated the club, and there's just a lot more excitement here. So if you are looking to get into an exclusive gated golf community, one where I really think that you're going to see your values grow, this is definitely one to check out here at Tesoro. So I hope you enjoyed my video here on Tesoro. It is a fantastic community. If you are thinking about moving to the Port St Lucie area, looking for golf communities or any communities in our area, I'm always here to help you answer any questions you have. Feel free to set up a Zoom call on Calendly in my link. Feel free to give me a call. I am always happy to help you guys and share why I love this Treasure Coast so much.